Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to discuss how we can generate 2D and 3D cartoons with the help of AI. To do this, we need the softwares like ChatGPT, where we can create story, and the second is GROK AI, where we can convert images into videos, and after this we need another software, Google AI Studio, where we can convert the whole story, the text of whole story, into audio. And the last one is video editing software, where we have to club all these videos into a single video, and also to upload the audio of the story. So stay tuned. I am going to show you step by step how we can make 2D and 3D cartoons. Thank you. Hello friends. Now today I am going to show you how we can make 2D and 3D cartoons with the help of AI. So for this, first of all, I will open the Chrome, and I will press here ChatGPT. So I will press continue. Now I will ask ChatGPT, create a story, of a lion and a mouse of 30 words 30 words, and divide the entire story into three scenes and create an image prompt of each scene. So I have asked ChatGPT, create a story of a lion and a mouse of 30 words only, and divide the entire story into three scenes and create an image prompt of each scenes. I will press the up arrow. So it will create a story of 30 words. This is the scene 1, this is the scene 2, and this is the scene 3. Okay, so now I have to open the another software that is called GROK. I will press here, and I will cross on 3 lines and press here image. Now I will go here in the chat GPT. I will take the scene 1 image prompt. This is the scene 1. I will copy here, and I will paste here and press the up arrow. Look, the image will be converted into video automatically. So this is the image. Maximum 4 images will be created. So I will convert it into video. Look, the image will be converted into video. We have to wait for a few seconds. Sorry. So it will be converted into a video. No need to write the separate prompt for a video. Okay, I will press here. Now I can download this image 1. Okay, so the image has been downloaded, this video has been downloaded and saved in the gallery automatically. Now I will go back. I will go with the chat GPT. I will go on the scene 2, and I will copy this. Okay, I will copy here, and now again I will go here in the GROK. I will paste it here and press the up arrow. It will create the image and the video of the image 2. I have to convert it in the video. It will be converted into video. So we have to wait for few seconds till the image is converted into video. So look, it has been converted into video. Now I will click here and press and download this image. So it has been downloaded. Now I will go back. I will go on third scene. I will press here. I will copy here. I will again go on here and press the up arrow. This was the last scene. Okay, I will convert it into video. We have to wait for few seconds till the image is converted into video. Look, it has been converted into video. Okay, I will press here and now I will download this. It has been downloaded. I will go back. Now I will open the chat GPT. Now I will open another software that is called Google AI Studio. I will open here. Now I will go here. I will select the create media, then Gemini AI speech. Then I will go here. I will select single speaker. Okay, now I will go in the chat GPT. I will copy the entire story of this 30-word story. I will copy it and then I will paste it here in the text box of I will press the run option. Google AI Studio run option. It will convert the text into audio. We have to wait for few seconds.
The lion sleeps
Okay.
in the sun. A tiny mouse scurries across him. The lion wakes, ready to roar. The mouse pleads. Later, it frees the lion from a trap.
Okay, so now we can download this audio also. We have downloaded this. Now we have to take the help of another software that is called video editing software. We will take the help of video editing software here. First step is we have to club all the videos into a single video and we have to add the audio to the video file. So for this we have to open the software called Vita app. It will open. We have to wait for 5 seconds. Now we have to go to the project and new project. Now we have to select this is the scene 1, this is the scene 2, this is the scene 3. Okay, now press this arrow. We have to wait for 5 seconds. Now I will press play. Look, all the 3 videos have been clubbed into a single video. This is the second and this is the third one. Now we have to add the audio to the video. We will go to the add music. We will go to the music. Then we will go to the device. We will go downside. So this is the
A
file.
lion once caught a tiny mouse, but spared its life.
So we
Grateful,
have to go to the plus. We have to press the plus. Then we can play it.
a
Okay.
lion once caught a tiny mouse, but spared its
So this is
life.
the
Grateful, the mouse
procedure how we can add audio to the video. So we can also record our own voice if we want to. There is also an option for that. So I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.